Welcome friends, Fawaz with you from Shastak International. In this video, we are discussing about how to make easy money from your warehouse. There are a lot of methods are there in the market, but I am just giving some simple options. The first one is leasing or renting. Leasing your warehouse space for the companies to keep their products. Usually, if you have a good system and good securities and everything, then you can rent out the single space to many companies. You can buy using a proper system and security for their items. So then next one, you can use that space for like a drop shipping hub. Usually in drop shipping business, you know that one in that model, the stores they won't keep their products. They're usually getting it from the third party. So you can act like a third party in that business. So that third party has to do that logistic part also. If you should have a proper logistic management also. So in that way also you can make easy money from this from your warehouse. The next one is a lot of these photographers and that ad shooters. They are looking for a good space for their shooting. So if you can collaborate your warehouse space with this event management team, of course you can earn money from that way also. The next one is, I can say, you can give that space for the office purpose also. If you put some mezzanine floors or something like that and make a beautiful office space for inside warehouses, of course a lot of companies, they took the areas from the very like city siders that they won't take that much space, so but they have a lot of manpower staff, so they just need to accommodate it in somewhere else with a low investment, so they can take your space as compared to the city side rent, and your rent will be cheaper. So these are some easiest way to make this money from your warehouse. There are a lot of ways are there to get more income from your warehouse. If you want to know more, just DM me, we can sort it out your warehouse problems. Thank you.